Hey, good afternoon, my friends. So I'm trying a new camo method here. So what I've done is the first color I put down was brown. Then I got these little balls of like blue tack, and I've just put them on all everywhere. And then I've sprayed the green on. So what I'll do now is I'll put some more balls on. We'll make up, more of the pattern, and then I'll spray it with the dark yellow. We'll see how that comes out. It's meant to be a ambush camo pattern, so we'll know soon how it goes, if it's any good. But I just thought of it, like I was thinking, how can I do this? And and then I thought, well, why don't I just ball up some little bits of blue tack, because I was looking at the ambush patterns that they do, these things, and the circles were all different sizes. So, and then I was thinking, oh, I'll cut out some little circles out of masking tape, but that would take ages. So see how this one works out, see how it goes. Also, I've been working on my factory scene, so I started to get some tools on the go. So I've made the bench here, and it's got some, those little workhorse thingies on the bottom. I've got this stuck down, so the anvil, that's there. And yeah, I've just been spending heaps of time, working on the tools. So I'll show you some of the tools I've got here. So you see down here, I'm just making them all up. Got the axes coming along, I've just got to take the liquid mask off those ones, so I can add these little tools to the mix as well. And then we've got just a couple more things out of the pack to build. So, and I'll show you this guy. He's going to be working on the anvil. So he looks really good. So they're the colours I'm going to go with. Started to highlight his top a bit. That's the old man that'll go on the other scene I was showing you the other day. So this scene here, he'll go next to the boy. It's a very nice head by Masterbox. And I've started to do the Panzer radio operator. He's a radio operator for a half track. But yeah, he'll be working away on the anvil. And there's another guy that I can put in the factory scene just here. So it should come up cool. But I do like the table with those it's just pieces of wood that you put over the top. But I've got some tables in another pack. So I've got another, in this pile here somewhere, I've got another, I think it's an outdoor work thingy. It's got all the outdoor tools. And God knows where it is. Oh, I think I don't know, God knows where it is. There it is. Down here. So I've got this one as well, so I can get some more stuff, so we can put more things in there. We can get some of those welding equipment. Now I've got some photo etch in there and some chairs as well, so be good. But yeah, see, it's got all that stuff in there, and it's a really good little pack. It's full of stuff. It's a really good one. Alright fellas, so that's just what I've been doing. Oh, so I started working on the motorbike as well, because I got some resin motorbike figures come in, and some resin stowage. So yeah, I've been doing lots of stuff. Just been a little bit unwell, so yeah. But yeah, I'll start putting this on, and I'll be keen to see how it comes out. So once I get the next layer of dots on, then get it sprayed with the yellow, then we can take them off and see how it comes out, and I'll give you a look. And then if it works out good, then that's a good method to use to make this ambush camo pattern. Alright fellas, I'll speak to you again soon.